Right, one more board. This one that's caked in thermal paste. Board number 3. Whole thing is just completely caked. It is everywhere. Right, let's look under the microscope. First off, the ports. Uh, Port looks okay enough. Yep, no damage to the port. And what about everywhere else? Kind of port replacement because there's not enough solder on the back legs. I think that fan connector's been replaced. It's not straight, is it? So maybe they got a fan issue with this one. Everything looks good from what I can see on this side, apart from the fan connector, so bear that in mind. Do you know what I think's wrong with this one? So it's probably got 100% fan speed, hence why loads of thermal paste again. So they thought it might just be overheating, and then they also changed the fan connector because they thought maybe it's something wrong with the connector. And I'm guessing it's to do with that chip at the back here. Wait, where is it on this one? Where is it on the switch? Is it one of these two controls the fan on the normal switch? I think it might be. Huh. So this should power up then. I think this one will power up. I reckon it's just that fan issue. Oh, we get nothing, but the port feels. Oh, yeah, the port's dodgy. So we get 15 volts 000, and on this one, 15 volts 000. Oh, that port don't feel too good inside. Very dry feeling. There you go. It's okay now. I think it just had a layer of crust in it. I think this will power up, but it's going to have a fan issue. So let me put this in. I'm going to use my bench power supply just to give it 4 volts and see if it automatically spins up the fan, even when it's off. Can you guys see the fan? I think you can. Ready? Is the fan going to spin? No, the fan isn't going to spin. Okay, what if we turn it on? Oh, it's booting up normally. So does the fan not kick in? Yeah, it's booted up apparently, according to my bench power supply. 360 milliamps. It's dropped back down to 0.002, so that's standby. Um, okay, let's try and get this hot then, so we can see if the fan moves. That should be plenty hot enough. Let's wake it up. Wake up. Yeah, the fan does work. So what is wrong with this one? Only one way to find out, isn't there? Plugging it in. Hmm, this connector's not going in properly. Is there a bent pin in there? Yeah, we got a damaged screen connector, so that's probably why they couldn't repair it, or they didn't know why it's not powering on. The connector's damaged. I will show you under the scope. So hopefully that's the only issue. You see there? There's a black hole. The pin's missing or bent. So I'm going to do a replacement. Okay, let's check the pins to see if they're nice and secure. Can't really see much down here, but so now let's plug it in the switch and see if it works. If we get a display. Should do. Don't see why it wouldn't. Okay. Okay, let's go. Right, here we go. We are getting a 15 and a display. Oh yeah. Oh, very dark. They must have had it on night mode. Let's turn up that brightness. Settings, screen brightness. Oh god, yeah. There you go. There you go. And Fortnite wasn't the last game. It was Dark Souls. No Fortnite to be seen. Very well you Switch. Lots of games. Nice. Let's try a game slot. Game card read. Let's try a game, see if it reads. Oh, yeah, it reads a game. So that's another one repaired. I will obviously try these fully before selling them, cleaning them up, etc. But we know the fan works as well, but I'll plug it in now just to see. It doesn't feel hot or anything. There we go, fans kicked in, but there's no heatsink on there. So yeah, this is a working Switch. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have now also unlocked the ability to have members on my channel. So yeah, that'd be great if you guys can support me in that respect. And super chats as well via live streaming when I do live stream. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Oh, I can't get this connector up now. It's so fluxy. Oh, I'll clean that in a minute. But yeah, so yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.